Hello everybody and welcome to lesson 26. We have gone through the whole grammar together and now we're going to do it a little bit differently. We will learn 30 words together. I will give you 30 questions. Please give me 30 answers. Every time I ask you something, just click on the space bar and answer my question. Thank you for that. Let's get started. Earthquake. Have you ever experienced an earthquake? Kind. What kind of music do you enjoy the most? On. What are your thoughts on social media? Abuse. How can we address the issue of animal abuse more effectively? Be, was, were, been. What has been your favorite vacation destination? Date. What is the most memorable date you've ever been on? Problem. Do you think there is a solution for the current environmental problem? Else. If you could be anyone else for a day, who would you choose? Humor. Do you prefer British humor or American humor? Knowledge. How important is general knowledge in today's world? Suppose. Do you suppose technology will completely replace teachers in the future? Period. What was your favorite period in history to learn about in school? Ketchup. Do you put ketchup on your fries or prefer them plain? Low, lower. How do you stay motivated when your energy is low? Dozen. What would you do with a dozen donuts? Pronunciation. How important is correct pronunciation when learning a new language? Them, themselves. Do your kids love themselves? Kitchen. Do you enjoy spending time in the kitchen, cooking or baking? Cue, British English, and line in American English. Have you ever had to wait in a long queue for something? Activity, active. What is your favorite outdoor activity? But I love traveling, but I find it exhausting sometimes. Do you agree? Meter. How many meters can you run without stopping? Stake. What's at stake if we don't take action on climate change? Report. Have you ever written a report for work or school? Left. Have you ever left something important at home and only realized it later? Season. What's your favorite season of the year and why? Yet. Let's say you are working on a project. Have you finished it yet? Sunday. What's your typical Sunday routine? Apply. Apply for. How do you apply what you learn from books to real life? Thank you for your answers and see you next time. Bye-bye.